Hello, so today we are going to take a look at one of the attributes of constraint layout. This is part of a series on constraint layout, so we can better know how to use it. The first, this video is going to be about this part of constraint layout where we can set margins when a connected view is gone, right? So connected views just means that a specific view is constrained by it, right? So if I have view 1 and view 2, and view 2 is connected to view 1, that means view 2 is constrained to view 1. Let's say it starts when view 1 ends, or its top is to the bottom of view 1, that sort of stuff, right? And we have these attributes here: goneMargin start, goneMargin end, left. So left and start, and then the right, top and bottom, right? So these are the attributes we have. And these we set them on the constraint view. So in my example of view 1 and view 2, we will set it on view 2, right? Let's see an example just to make sure this is clear. So I have here just a simple activity that has one layout, and all the layout has is two text views: text view 1 and text view 2. They are both visible right now, right? Let me just remove this. So we have a constraint layout, and then we have a text view 1 and text view 2. Text view 1 is right now constrained to be to the start of the parent and to the top of the parent, and text view 2 is to start at the end of text view 1 and is at the top of the parent, right? So you can see here text view 2 is constrained by text view 1. It has to be at the end of it, right? Now what we are trying to achieve here, so you can see when both are visible, they should be next to each other. When we set text view 1 to be gone, right? So right now text view 2 doesn't have any margin from the start, right? Let's say our design says that when text view 1 is gone, we want to set a margin for text view 2. So that's where goneMargin comes into place here. So I want, let's say, a margin from the left when text view 1 is gone. Let's say 20 dp, right? So we can see now so notice that I set this attribute on text view 2, not on the view that will be visible, right? So I need to set it on the view, saying that, okay, once the view you are constrained to, on the left, of course, is gone, you need to add this margin. That's what I'm saying essentially here. And now you can see when text view 1 is gone, we have the margin. If I put back text view 1 to visible, you can see that the margin is no longer there, right? So this says basically, if the view you are constrained to the start is gone, set this margin. If not, don't set a margin. So that's what this does. We can do a similar thing also for top. So let's try that example here. So let's say this one is now constrained top to bottom of text view 2, and it's no longer, and it starts at the start of parent. Okay, so now if text view 2 is below text view 1, if I set this to gone, there is no margin, right? Now let's say goneMargin top here. Now you can see when text view 1 is gone, we have that margin, right? If I put it back to visible, there is no margin there, right? So this is essentially how it works. Yeah, so yeah, play with it and see how it works. Cool, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.